Good morning. Welcome back. Back out in God's country in a cornfield. Just a two-manner today. Me and Hixie. Guy found us a smoker with quite a few birds in it and got some good hide today. Running 12 dozen decoys. Mostly all dive bombs, a couple big L's. And it's actually a little bit chilly this morning. It was -1, kind of around 7 a.m. when we first got up. Got about 10 minutes till shooting time. Birds should be flying pretty soon. Although they have been flying kind of late lately, so we'll see. Hide is super good this morning. We're in kind of a corn row here and got a bunch of decoys around our blinds, so if all works out, should be pretty quick shooting. Hopefully they come in kind of smaller groups, 3s and 4s, and I think it'll be fun. Haven't done a two-man hunt in a while, so definitely looking forward to it. What are you thinking?
Finally gonna be good. I got a good feeling.
Got a feeling?
Yeah. Smoker.
7:45. Not a bird in the air. Are we in the right field?
Actually, you know what? Might have been a mile over.
No. No.
No, this is the right field.
Yeah, sure seems like it. What a bird to be seen. First two coming in, maybe? They look like it. Dude, that first one was way too close to me. Dude, that first one right here, I was just like, I felt like my barrel was on his body.
Because they swung across. Like, I thought they were going to suck right to where I said they were, and then they cut right in front of me. Perfect.
That was so good.
Huh?
So good. Those two came in so good. Update, I still suck at shooting. They're almost too close. They almost came in too good. What'd you think about those two?
Read the script, playbook. Pretty much how I drew it up.
I think those came in too close though. Can we bring them like a little bit farther next time? He's gonna come in too close again. Peekaboo!
Can't be taking two on that.
That's bad. First one I just got anxious.
You didn't even budge when you pulled up.
I know. That's bad.
Peekaboo. 7 yards misses.
I think the other ones are gone. Take this one. That's how you do the old one-shot kill.
Yeah.
No band?
No bander.
These two might do it real nice. 3, sorry. Get ready. In our face. Take him!
Let me call it. You always call, like, that's still 35 yards off the decoy. Let him come in.
Hixie said I got a little anxious on that one. I thought I called them in pretty good. I'm usually the one calling in the birds, so maybe I should have waited a little bit longer. It's hard to say. Just got a little anxious, you know, a little anxious. Hixie's calling for now on. I'm done. What's that?
No trigger pulls until the sheriff says so.
All right. Whatever you say, Sheriff. Oh, I didn't know what you were calling there. I thought, see, like that was a little late on the call, I thought.
I didn't know, like, if it was close or too far.
Those ones were looking good and then just didn't really dive in too close to us, so Hixie got one there. That's a big bird. They didn't like come into the middle, eh? They came like right, but they stayed pretty far out.
Figured I should shoot or else they're just gonna fucking keep going.
We'll be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oof. Got work to do. Need another 11 more. No, 9 more. 9 more. My shooting's off and my math is off. Nice. Surprised it took you 2 shots on that one. That was an easy one.
Getting like pretty far behind me almost. Neck collar. GPS.
I have a couple of those.
Came from Sweden.
Look at that good cover. Look at that good cover. I don't even know I'm in there.
Okay.
I think instead of hunting though, I'm gonna start doing goose calling competitions.
That's all we all want to hear. Is that a fucking Bichon Freeze squawking over there?
A what?
A Bichon toy poodle? Over your shoulder.
I can't see him. What happened? Didn't feel like getting up on that one. Too far of a shot for me.
I'll let you know.
This could be the one.
Okay, shoot him.
Shit, we both shot that last one at the same time. I think you might have broke my eardrum on that last one.
Make me run down the mountain.
I think my left eardrum is gone. Should have got more than 3 there. Dang, that was a good flock. It's just too bad those all came on the left and they didn't come more down the pipe.
Shoot him.
My GoPro flew off mid-shot. Got one.
That was a weird angle.
That was so awkward. I shot right here too, like on my arm. That thing came spiraling down though. No band.
Wait till he's 2 here.
And then they get this one on the ground.
Watch that guy in the front.
Should we take him now?
Yeah.
That'll do it. That'll do it.
Huh?
You got the other one here, right?
No. And I got the one on the ground.
Oh, we did it. Coyote coming to check out our spread. That'll do it. 2-man limit in the corn. They didn't make it easy on us, but we got it done. Those last ones came in perfect. Let that one land, that single. And then I got the 2 in the air, so can't ask for a better morning. What'd you think of my shooting today?
Not that good, actually. Mine was pretty good. I'd say we shot 16, I probably shot 13.
One of those guys. Embarrassing. Another day, another limit with more food to put in the freezer.
And I'm sure I'll be carrying most of them out if I had to take a swing in the tank. Like I always do.
Well, you said you're stronger though, no? You said you don't mind? Okay, I'll bring a couple too. Like I said, another day, another limit in the cornfield. 2-man. Doesn't get better than that, so it was fun. They came in for the most part, nice pairs of 2s and 3s, so that was good. And not the best shooting today. Had some awkward shots, but all in all, can't complain. Mornings are definitely getting colder. Hopefully head out to western Manitoba here in the next couple weeks, shoot some mallards, so stay tuned for that, and hope you guys enjoyed another hunting video. Subscribe, like, stay tuned for more. Have a good day. Peace.